Hey everyone, Alex Bell here, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to test buying Twitch followers using PayPal in 2026. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, show you the website I used, explain the payment process, and share the results so you can decide whether it's worth trying yourself. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open Google and search for Followers Panda. Once you're on their website, navigate to the Twitch Services section and select Buy Twitch Followers. You'll see several follower packages available, ranging from smaller starter packages to larger options for bigger channels. For this test, I'm going to select a basic follower package. Click the Buy button and you'll be taken to the order page. Now enter your Twitch username, your email address, any required account information. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and continue to checkout. Next, you'll receive a verification code in your email. Open your inbox, copy the OTP code, and paste it into the verification field. Create a secure password if required, and continue to the payment page. One thing many people ask is whether PayPal is available. At the time of recording this video, PayPal is offered as one of the payment methods. You may also see other options such as credit card Stripe cryptocurrency. For this tutorial, I'm choosing PayPal. Simply select PayPal, complete the payment process, and submit your order. Once the payment is completed, you'll receive an order confirmation. You can usually monitor the order status from your dashboard. The order will initially show as pending while it is being processed. Now let's head over to the Twitch account and refresh the page. After waiting for the delivery process to begin, we'll check whether the follower count increases. As always, delivery times can vary depending on the package selected and current processing times. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.